In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a Udemy course on desktop. If you've archived a course to tidy up your library and now want it back on your main list, the process is quick and straightforward. We'll do everything from the desktop website so you can follow along on any modern browser. First, open your browser and head to udemy.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account as you normally would. Once you land on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose My Learning. Depending on the version of the site you see, it may be labeled All Courses. Both take you to the same place, your course library. Inside your library, you'll see different ways to organize and filter your courses. We need the Archived section. You might find it as a tab near the top, a filter on the side, or a link you can scroll to. Select Archived to view all the courses you previously tucked away. Next, find the course you want to restore. Scroll through the archived list until you spot the course card you're bringing back. Move your mouse over that course card to reveal additional options. When you hover, look for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu, typically in a corner of the card. Click those dots to open the Actions menu. In the menu, select Unarchive. The moment you click, Udemy removes the course from the archived area and places it back into your main library. To confirm, you can switch back to the All Courses or My Learning view, and you should see the course listed with the rest of your active courses, ready to resume where you left off. A few quick tips in case your screen looks different. Website layouts can change, so if you don't immediately see Archived, check for filters, a drop-down, or additional tabs within your library page. If the menu on the course card doesn't appear, make sure you're hovering directly over the card and that your browser window isn't zoomed in too far. A quick refresh of the page can also help. And that's all there is to it. You've unarchived your Udemy course on desktop and brought it back to your main learning list, so you can continue your lessons without digging through the archived section.